guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do Python programming in our mobile smartphone. Okay, so first of all, just open the Play Store and search PyDroid. You need to open this application into your Android mobile. I already installed it, so let me open that. Here is this application. Let me open this. This is our Python programming application. This is a code editor for Python for Android. Okay, so let me run a code in it. So first of all, I will go to my text editor. Where it is? Here is notes. Here it is. I'm going to copy this code. Okay. So first of all, I will select all. Press copy, and now I'm pasting it into this. So let me paste the code here. I just paste it, and there is something wrong with this code, so let me remove this code. We are creating a Doreamon. Okay, Doreamon character of cartoon. There is something unwanted things in the code, so I'm removing them. Now this button is to run the code. Okay, so as you can see that the Doraemon's face is created. Now it is creating the whole Doraemon here. You can get this code from description. So here the Doraemon is created. Now there is a advertise, so let me close it. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.